Hi there, it's Shell, and today we are working on day 13 of our December daily. So I want to show you what my swap partner gave me. She gave me some really old song papers. These are so beautiful. Onward, Christian soldiers, God be with you till we meet again. Just some really, they're already yellowed and everything. I didn't find a date on any of them. I know sometimes they'll have dates, but I didn't find any on those. And then she also gave me this packet of goodies. And I love this. It was so fun to open. So she gave me some little cards, and these have a robin on them. Aren't those sweet? And then she also gave me, let's look, she also gave me some little papers that have old bookcases and an old table. This table back in the day sold for $3.70. And some writing. I couldn't really read the writing, but that's pretty cool. And then the Watkins cookbook. I'm going to come back to that though, because that was kind of funny. Bringing down the wild goats. You guys know we raise goats, so how perfect is that? So cute. I think that will definitely have to go in something for myself, or in my husband's book. A little bit of, looks like a, okay, road or pass, yard, local, arbitraries, overtime, miles. So it's like a little ledger. Engineer or foreman. That's kind of cool. English classics. So that was kind of neat. I don't think I saw a date on this either. Oops. And this is more of that paper. And then this is a little insert from Little Lord Fauntleroy. So that's kind of fun. And it looks like she dyed this maybe with coffee or watercolor or something like that. So that, and then this I loved. It's so cute. It's Watkins cookbook. And what's fun about this is, you know, the recipes. And I didn't see a date on this either, but like right here, it's Mary's Raising Biscuits. It says, boil 3 potatoes, mash, beat light, rub butter size of a walnut, and lard size of a hen's egg into 2 quarts of flour. That's just funny to me. I love the old ones where they have, you know, the size of a walnut and then the size of a hen's egg, which I guess would be about 1.5 walnuts. I don't know. I love that though. I think it's so fun. So, but there were other ones in here also. There's griddle cakes, sweet milk griddle cakes. And it's just made with regular milk. But I thought that was funny. Cornmeal cakes, breadcrumb griddle cakes, potato pancakes or omelet, cocoa cream cake, chocolate cake, and cocoa cake without eggs. That's interesting. And jelly roll. So I think it'd be fun to try some of these. I just think that would be really interesting. So, and I also got some Happy Mail. I don't get Happy Mail very often, but look at this. I watch this one lady. She is such a sweet lady. Her name is Charlotte Peterson, and that is her name on YouTube. And I started watching her, and she makes the cutest things. So I will put a link below. But she sent me these, and I just fell in love. As soon as she actually created this design, and as soon as I saw it, I was in love with it. So I just had to show you guys what she sent. But she just cuts out 2 little stockings, and then she just decorates them. She puts them together with a little hinge, a fabric hinge in this case. And she made a couple of little pockets so I could journal in there. But, I mean, they're so cute. She does have a tutorial on her page, so on her YouTube. So if you're interested in learning how to make this, you could definitely go over there. And then she sent me this gorgeous thing. And this is actually an ornament. It has a little bell on the toe. She actually sewed around, and then she hot glued some of these beautiful flowers and stuff. Put some little lace on a tag that she fit on it. So this one doesn't open. I kept trying to open it, but it doesn't open. And then on the back she has some little look at the little kitty cat. Has a little pocket with some ornaments. So I hung this up on my wall to kind of keep it away from my cats because they really like the string, and it has really brightened up my little house. So I think that is really sweet. Thank you, Charlotte, if you happen to be watching here. So I think I'm going to try to use this one in my December daily. So I'm going to set those aside. But go over and check out her channel. She has some adorable things. And she just does beautiful, beautiful work. So we're going to work with some of this stuff. I think I might want this cookbook piece in here. It just seems kind of like a Christmas cookbook, you know, Christmas item that you would put in a Christmas book. Does that make sense? Kind of Christmassy recipes and stuff. So, you know, again, we didn't have a lot going on, but I had such fun things that I received. Now, my only thought is there's a lot of dimension, so it will, you know, I mean, just not going to close my book very well, which isn't a horrible thing. But I just have to decide, you know, if I can live with that or not. But I just love it. And I haven't, I mean, I really want it in here. But you know what? I might save it and maybe try to put it on the front or the back. I think I might just put it on the back. So I think I'm going to save that one for later. As much as I love it, I think it just adds way too much bulk for inside. So let's just kind of play around and just see what we can come up with for day 13. You know, I didn't have a whole lot, so I could just make like 1 page for day 13. Oh, and I kind of wanted to count. So we're on day 13. So if I put 13 here, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So if I did it like that, just 1 page per, then, you know, I would be okay. My problem is I think I'll have a lot to say on days 24 and 25 because we'll be doing a lot with family. So hopefully I can make that work. Of course I can do like fold outs and things like that. That always works. So let me just see how I want to do this. I really don't want to cut it or fold it. So that's so cute though. I just love that. So let's just try and see what we can do. Let's just work on this page and just see. I might can just make like a little belly band. That would work. That's not a belly band, is it? How lucky would I have got? you know, something like that where I can just kind of hold on to it, because I just love that. So let's just see what I can do as far as like a belly band. Let me see what I have over here that maybe I can use. Oh, that's cute. My husband made these, and this was a Kool-Aid dyed, but sometimes he really likes to just, he sees me doing stuff and he wants to do it too. And so he made me this kind of tag. I think I'm going to cut it down. Actually, I think I'm just going to mark it and go cut it on my larger cover. I think I'm going to just cut it there. And gotta figure this out. Put it down there. Okay, like that, and then just here. Okay, so let me cut that down real quick. And then that will kind of give me some extra space too. So I think I'm just going to, it doesn't really matter where I put it. See if I can get my art glitter glue to work. See, that's why I have such a big nozzle on my art glitter glue. I know, Bubba. Do you hear Bubba? He's crying. That one is Bitty Bear, and he's crying for his daddy. His daddy had to go work today, and I still had my horrible migraine headache. So I was told to stay home and rest. I tell you guys, I'm so spoiled. My husband says, you're not spoiled, you're loved, and he's right. I couldn't imagine being more loved than what I am. So let's just put that there. Top and the bottom, and hope that fits. I think it will if I got it close enough to the edge. Oh, come on. Come on, you can do it. Okay, I'm going to pull this one up and try it again, but maybe go a little bit closer. Let's try that. Where there's hardly anything on it. Probably should have used like washi tape or something. That would have worked. Like fold it over. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. I have a red washi tape right here. Just because I really want this piece to fit in there. So what I'm going to do is, it's such a tight fit, so I'm just going to cut this down about right there. Put a little bit of glue on it. Put half of it there, actually. Now I'm going to stick it here and then fold that over on the top and the bottom. We're going to make this work. That'll extend it just a little bit, hopefully just enough for my little book. Okay, so let's try it and see. There we go. How fun. So that's going in there. How easy. Once I figured it out. Okay, so I need the date 13, or the number 13. I think I have one. Not sure where that came from. I don't know what I did with my little circle. I guess we'll use one of these again. Oh, that's kind of cute. So I think we'll do that. And I really think this needs something to help it pop out a little bit. So still don't have my little distress tool. So I'm just going to kind of go around the edges. Okay, so we got that inked, and look at this cute little tag I found. I thought that would be so cute, just kind of hanging there like that. So I think I'm going to go ahead and put that down. Just kind of crooked like that. I might have got some glue on the back. And then we'll just put a little glue right there. I think we're going to call that done, except I think I want just a little something else there, so maybe I'll put some more of this glitter washi tape. See how I can do it here. Kind of like under, kind of make it look like a little present or something. Just something to kind of decorate it up, and it has my little Watkins book that is so fun, and I can certainly use some of these recipes for Christmas. So we went pretty simple with day 13. Tonight was the 14th today, and we will be going to my friend's house, and we're going to play games and have dinner and stuff like that. So hopefully I'll have a picture in here for tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Be sure and hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Be sure and also go over to Charlotte Peterson's channel and check out her channel. It's so fun. Thanks for watching, and you guys have a wonderful day.